Okay, welcome. Today we're going to be focusing on math and variables in Python. So we already defined a variable earlier. It is the thing before an equal sign. So we can do question equals, so we're just going to go right into this video. So question equals, let's say, hello. And if we print question, we get hello. So we know this because question equals hello. So if we're printing question and question equals hello, then we're printing hello. We're not printing question. If we wanted to print question, we would again turn it into a string and print it like that. So then it prints question instead of hello. But no, we want to print hello. And we're going to change this to hello YouTube, and we're going to add another exclamation mark. And if we do this again, it stores it in question after we save it, and then it prints that. So question equals hello YouTube, print question, print hello YouTube. Okay, so we talked about this a little last time, but we're going to change question, and then we're going to put a random word, pencil. Question pencil. Question pencil equals hello, print, as we used in the previous videos, question pencil. If we do this, it prints hello. And notice how if we put an underscore, it works because we defined a variable, which is question pencil. We assigned what it equals, which is hello, and we printed it. So we're printing hello. Now notice if we put a space instead of an underscore, it says invalid syntax. So that's why usually in coding, you put underscore for anything. That should be a space. So if there should be a space there, or if you're defining a variable and there should be space, just put an underscore instead. It's so much easier. And it, once you get used to it, it kind of makes sense. It looks like a space to you. All right, so we're going to do math, right? So we're going to do question pencil equals, so if we're doing integers, we don't have to put we're not turning into string. We're going to keep it as an integer. So we can do, in Python, we can do 4 plus 2. And if we print this, Python automatically does 4 plus 2 for us and turns it into 6. So what if we just put this, not adding spaces? It also works, but this is my preference. I really like to keep it clean looking. We can clearly tell that this is 4 plus 2. In my perspective, this makes it look cramped. So let's do 4. We'll just keep it simple. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, again, Python obviously does it. As we know, 4 minus 2 is 2. So we're going to do 4 times 2. 8, Python does that. So far we have multiplication, sorry for any typos, is this. So num1, num2, and you can go on forever. So you can add times, multiply by num3. Subtraction equals num1 minus num2. And can Python get in the negatives? Well, let's see. Let's do 2 minus 4. Oh yeah, let's put, again, we're going to comment this. So that way Python doesn't, so it does give negatives. All right, so we have, we'll keep this commented, but you can just refer this as a reference. Addition equals num1. We're just going to use these as variables, so like number 1 plus number 2. We're going to put hashtag there. Now, what if we want to square something? So in Python, let's say we want to do 4 squared 4, 2. Get 16. Because this is how you square something in Python. 4. So we know, so yeah, that's how you write when you're squaring something. 4, 2 multiplication symbols, 2. So we're going to put this as here. Squaring equals num1 plus, we're doing num2. What if we want to add another one? What happens? We have an invalid syntax because it only squares it. So we can do 4 squared 2, and also this follows order of operations. So if we do this times 2, we should have 16 times 2, which is 32. And Python follows that. It gives us 32. Isn't Python smart? So we have multiplication, subtraction, addition, squaring. We do not have division. And for division, we just use a slash. 4 divided by 2 is 2.0. Notice how it writes 2.0. What if we do 2. Oops, this. Oh, I put an I there. My bad. Accident. If we do this, it'll give us the exact number. Okay? So this is how you do the basics. You just saw this, but we can do this. Division equals num1 divided by num2. See, these are the basics of doing math with Python. If you want to do some really hard math, have Python do it for you. So in this video, we covered how to do basic math with Python. Ignore the with. That's just idle. Okay, so if you do want to download Python for yourself, you can just search up download Python on Google and then set it up. It'll set it up automatically for you. Or if you just want to make it easier, just watch a YouTube video on how to do it. I will not be posting that because we're just learning Python. We're not learning how to set it up. So we learned in this video how to do basic math with Python, how to define a variable in Python, and a subclass for this is what to do when you have a variable that has a space. You just put an underscore. Okay, let's just end this video with an error. Invalid syntax, because we need to comment this out. Oh yeah, and we'll make a video reviewing everything we've learned soon. Now let's just do the plugs. Like and subscribe if you like the content. Ring the bell if you want more content. And just, yeah, have a fun time coding. I'll be posting another video very, very shortly. And if you do have any questions or concerns or any feedback for me, you can go ahead and comment it down below. Thank you.